Hi everybody, now we're going to do what we call as a finger play. We just have to use our little fingers. Now can you put your fingers together like this? Correct. Wrap this around. Correct. So you have your fingers, you're going to open it and close it, and you're going to take your hand and you're going to wrap it around. Does this look like a beehive? I think it does. Yes. So we're going to start off with our finger play we call the beehive. So here is a beehive. Where are the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Watch and you'll see them come out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, can you see the bees everywhere? Alright, bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe.